Hi viewers, so I am back with one more question of geometry. So this is nothing but the shape that is given and its area is given as some x. So we need to find out the area of this green region, right? Now what he has given, so this particular length is nothing but 2 units. So we need to find it, right? So here the single strikes are nothing but those parts are equal and double strike parts are equal, right? Now for this, so what I am going to do is I am going to consider this single strikes as these lengths as a, so a and these double strike lengths are nothing but some b's, right? Now for my convenience, so what I am going to do is, so I am going to draw, so I am going to complete this figure here so that I can get a rectangle. Okay, now if you observe all the side lengths, so if you observe this, so since this is length a, then automatically this length will be a units. If this is b, then this particular length will be b units, right? Now if you observe, what about the length of this particular rectangle? So length of this particular rectangle is nothing but 2a plus b. And what about breadth of this rectangle? It is nothing but a plus b, right? Now so area of this particular region, so area of this particular rectangle is nothing but given by, so area of this rectangle is nothing but length, so 2a plus b into what is its breadth, a plus b, right? Next, if I want to find area of this shaded region, so if I want area of shaded region, so what I should do, so I need to consider area of rectangle. So from that I need to remove the part which I have added, so area of added part, so which gives me, so area of rectangle is nothing but, so 2a plus b into a plus b minus area of added part. So this I have considered, no? So this is nothing but the part which I have considered, right? So its area is nothing but a into b, because length is a, breadth is b. So if I multiply this, so 2a into a is nothing but 2a square plus 2a into b is nothing but 2ab plus ab plus b square minus a into b. So this a into b minus a into b gets cancelled. Then I am left with 2a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is nothing but the value which I have got. So this shaded region I have already considered it as x. So x is equal to 2a square plus 2ab plus b square. But I need to find the area, no? So here I have given with some value 2. Now if you observe this particular figure, so this is nothing but a right angled triangle. So here I am going to do that. So by Pythagoras theorem, so by using Pythagoras theorem, so what I can say, so 2 square is equal to, so leg square plus leg square, which is nothing but a square plus a plus b whole square. So from this 4 is equal to a square plus, if you expand this, what I am going to get, a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. Now if when I add this all, so 4 is equal to a square plus a square is 2a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is nothing but the value I got. But here x is nothing but the same value, no? So 2a square plus 2ab plus b square. So from this clearly what I can say, so x is equal to 4, right? So from this what I can say, the area of that particular shaded region is nothing but 4 square units. So likewise we can solve this problem. Okay, thank you for watching.